My name is Amanda. I'm owner of Oakleaf Cakes Bake Shop in Boston. Today I'm going to show you one of the products we really like to make a lot of our cakes. It's an airbrushing booth. It's a system of boxes and fans and filters, and it helps keep our bakery clean. So when we do an airbrushed cake, besides our airbrush and our compressor, we use a airbrush booth, and we really like the one by CakeSafe. They do a really good job of providing these acrylic panels, nice and clear, so we can have some light through the booth. And their boxes themselves can reconfigure into this vertical position, and we can use that for tiered cakes. And then if we're doing like a sculpted cake, then we can disassemble, and we can use the booth vertically, and we can use the booth horizontally, is what I meant. So these just unstack, and then you could do we've done a sculpted Ferrari cake, so like a car, and you can put that here, and it has its own little spray booth for the sculpted car cake. I've also used the airbrush booth for our octopus cake, so be sure to check out that video. So if you're doing horizontal, then you put up the side wings, and then you have the overhead one. Don't forget to put up the overhead one, because having the whole setup is important to getting the right air filtration and air suction into there. Otherwise, if you don't have the airbrush booth, you're going to get your airbrush color all over your table and your tools and your windows and your walls and in your nose. And so the CakeSafe booths work really well in all these different configurations. They consist of, it's a box with filters. This is a washable additional filter. You can just take it out, spray it in the sink, let it dry, and change that more frequently than the ones in the box. And these are easily wipeable. We can just wipe them right down, stack them up, stack them out of the way. We can put all these out of the way as well, and it hardly takes up any of our space on our decorating table. So CakeSafe airbrush booths, we really recommend them. Definitely check out their page. They have different cake tools and acrylic rounds, and they even created a box that keeps your cake safe while you're transporting it. But our favorite thing is the airbrush booth, because we do a lot of artistic airbrushing designs. One of them is this galaxy design. And so you can check out our video on how to make this cake. It has multi-colors of airbrushing, some silver sheen swirl, and some paint food color splatters. So feel free to check out that video as well.